Welcome to the step-by-step guide where you'll learn how to enable developer mode in Discord. Whether you're a server admin, bot creator, or just curious about Discord's hidden tools, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to access it on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open your user settings, where you can customize and manage everything about your account. Next, scroll through the list of options until you find the section labeled App Settings. Inside this section, tap on the option called Advanced. This is where the more technical and developer-related features are located. Now, you'll see a simple toggle labeled Developer Mode. To turn it on, just tap the switch next to it. When the switch lights up, Developer Mode is officially activated on your account. So, what does this mean for you? With developer mode turned on, you'll now be able to copy unique IDs for servers, channels, users, and messages, a feature especially useful if you're building or managing a bot, troubleshooting, or working with webhooks and APIs.